So we can take it out. I got kill it. We can take it out. Take a mosquito and go in so that kill that mosquito. Go, we can make it. Back, we have to do and we kill a mosquito. Go, rock it, take out and do. Go, we can make it like this. I can break it. And I can make another little dig week. If I make it back, I will make it and you go. I have water kind of week. You can buy water kind of week. But you don't have only one kind of week. You got only one kind of week. You know, can we do it theo quay con mắt vườn we want. Mushroom are very simple. And mushroom không phải cần cho mình some kind of gồm make yummy mushroom. I mean, we are making a whip. So we are cutting a whip out. Okay, we can get one. For another one. That we are making over and over again. We are cutting it. I'm not doing it over again. I can't walk a whip. I think you know walk a whip. So I try it out. And one night. You know, one night. One night. Oh, that's like 2 nights. Oh, I can say one night. But it's very simple and you can do that and very quickly. You want to do quickly, you can do that. You do everything. You quick. You can make army with a key and you want. Make yummy one or cakey one. Even Pookie one. You can make something with a pook too. But I really recommend not pook. I really recommend more like mango or cucumber. Dumpling. I need an onion is good for you. And garlic and 2 cups of onion. Onion and garlic. Garlic are pretty yummy. But some people don't buy some healthy food. They buy cooked meat. Meat is also healthy, but in that much you make like healthy food like too much. I think the healthy food is broccoli or I know that I think you some of you don't know that broccoli is a cream. That's why it's a broccoli because broccoli one you that put the broccoli all day. The broccoli calculated flour and then make another broccoli. I think cayenne flour. That I don't make around. You could eat the broccoli. You buy it and then you could eat it. Like make rock and like you got the broccoli won't work ever. But if you just boil them, it's alright. You can it work every day. But sometimes we don't have broccoli. Like broccoli sometimes are very like I think they put a broccoli and you don't have a broccoli, yeah? You can buy ice cream and you can keep the broccoli or you can eat it quickly. That's all. I mean, we only had 2 weeks. We got cut it out two weeks. The one I got this one is I think a cat week. Oh my god. I think only 2 weeks now. That and we don't continue. So the mama week, now week, yeah, with that. Many week. You know that? Many week is good for your health, but you eat like something have a lot of protein. You eat it too much. The protein too much. I think chocolate is protein. Chocolate is too much well, so you don't break it. Like this. Cut it out all of them. So nothing go wrong with them. Now cut it out all of them. So we have a really good thing on right now. But you don't know the channel. We're working 2 channels. This channel is not already finished. This channel is finished, but the next channel is not finished. Both of them is a same channel, but it's not the same channel. And we also have the next channel. The next channel is more interesting and more like it for your help. And you can work you can watch Amity and you ain't talking about coin or some like TV stuff.